Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Hi, this is Sean with Stability Engineering. We are on a one-story fire escape. As you can see, there is a lot of stuff on the fire escape. All this stuff, per the code, should be removed so that clear access is provided in the event of a fire. Overall, I did not see any fire, life, and safety issues that would require any kind of emergency repair. There is some minor areas of paint that are missing. There's some flaking paint here, and here. The area of the railing, that attachment to the main landing is suspect. Appears that there's some rust jacking there, and that's typical of all the connections of the railing posts to the landing. The attachment of the railing to the building looks in good shape, and that's about it up here. So moving over to the stair stringers, this connection of the stair stringer to the landing is risen up, and when I looked underneath it, there is some signs of significant rust jacking. So this area is definitely appears to be distressed. This side looks a little better off, but this connection's definitely suspect. Connection of the stair stringer railing, connection there looks like it's in good shape. Don't see any signs of rust jacking. Actually, on this side there is some signs of rust jacking, so that connection is definitely suspect. Heading down the stairs, which actually are really tall. They go up to the 3rd level, but there's only one landing. The connection of the treads to the stringers, most of them look suspect. You can see here there's rust jacking here. So the recommendation would be to provide other evidence of strength for all the treads. You can see going down, there's just the connection is definitely suspect. You can see rust in here. Some of them definitely look better than others, but overall most of them are either suspect or distressed. The railing post connection is, as you can see, the bolt is rusted. Definitely need other evidence of strength installed here. That's that condition there is definitely distressed. This connection to the building, halfway down the stairs, looks good. Here's another example of flaking paint and then significant rust jacking in the joint. So continuing to move down. Some more flaking paint here, flaking paint there. Overall, the fire escape appears to be in fairly good condition. The connection of the supports to the building look in good shape, top and bottom. There has been some additional caulk or grout packed at the three connections to the building. No signs of significant rust drips, and etc. from any of those connections. So overall, I would say need about a 25% paint job on this. Once again, there's no fire life and safety issues, and the fire escape is not ready for a load test. I do recommend a technical repair report for this fire escape that includes providing other evidence of strength and cleaning the connections at the areas that were discussed that were either suspect or distressed. Thank you.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.